Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Realize the potency of the all-attracting, the all-enjoying. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Omniscient, omnipresent, omnipotent, God of light, God of sound, goes beyond any such forms which we can ascribe to it. Variety makes enjoyment possible. The form of worship is potency itself. We should love our bodies and the material world, but with purpose. The devotees will understand more than non-devotees, but to different degrees. There are the lusty, the free from acting out based on desire alone, and those repulsed and denying sensuality. God, being part of a community, our being known through a thing, does not mean that God is that. All are parts belonging to God. You know all those Aleph, Lamed, and Yud, Hey ending words in the Bible? Yeah, that doesn't mean that Jesus is God with us or anything like that. These things mean things belonging to God, things on the side of God. Inactivity and activity are seen in each other, the same as other differences are as together in reality. I'm not certain that's what I wrote there, or as something in reality. Don't wait for the supposedly right situation in life to develop and be devoted. It is not desire, thoughts, feelings, and emotions that are to be stopped, but wasting them is. All except spiritual transformation must be temporary. We should distinguish between form and energy, controlled and controller, and such. If we won't surrender to God, we still have to surrender. To the invincible, impassable, unassailable fortress to pass through, Durga, is seen as the material nature. Is seen as the material nature embodying Durga. But, a god of this does not mean that this is God. Just, like the sun. A true God would be God of the sun, right? But, the sun's not God, that sort of thing. Don't rely on the accumulation that is transition, that is transitory happiness. Sorry, my writing's not as good. Let us pretend that it doesn't matter what type of religion. Let's not pretend that it doesn't matter what type of religion a person is upon, or what further variety of it one even claims. Natural law dictates classes, but spiritual classes, spiritual castes, go beyond birth and placement. Twice born is to choose to develop and connect. Each has dormant and instinctive knowledge and love of God to awaken. People may worship other than God in sympathetic magic and get results, but those results may be at least as strong without shirking from monotheism, and those angels and other beings may be only doing this as servants of God and only provide out of that service rather than that they are being worshipped. Religion is not to be known by birth, although instinctively I guess we all are on the same religion until we're programmed otherwise, but by observations. Religion is to prevent wandering in ignorance and to give us a means to not have anything left after life to be dealt with by return and incarnating again. As for one who doesn't believe or obey divine scriptures, as far as one doesn't, one is unclean, and as if one is an atheist. Success in doing one's duty, regardless of survival and thriving, is to do the best one can with what one has to do right. A spiritual pundit sees each being as soul instead of by what their bodies or material conditions are. Degrees in philosophy and religion should not be about making things according to one's own way. The way of the believers is the proper approach to understanding revelation and inspiration. Without training and God consciousness, the structure of society is failing. And so my comment, the comment that I'm looking at is regarding text 4 of chapter 17, and that's the one that stood out to me the most this time through. And in the Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 4, Chapter 3, verse 23, it is said, Sattvam Vesudam Vasudeva Sambitam. When a man is situated in pure goodness, he worships Vasudeva. Okay, well, maybe that's not what I meant to say, but the worship of the Supreme Personality of God would be that thing that I identify with here. And to worship the Supreme Personality of God, or anything else in the mode of goodness, per se, could be as the gateway to the transcendental platform. And people faithful to different religious traditions will do different things, but it's got to be about worshiping the Supreme Personality of God overall. And by personality, I mean like the qualities of God, merciful and wise and loving and all sorts of stuff like that. The best of qualities, hence Hari. And the people who worship creations of one sort or another are fabrications of their own mind. There are people who do that. These people, they either worship the material nature, they worship the light beings, they worship the fire beings, they worship the dead. They even worship some pattern. And some people are completely atheistic, but that's another type of what people would call worship. But go beyond these forms. Go beyond this, it's not the material world. It's not these powers that dynamism refers to. But we do operate these things in our spiritual life, and I guess I see something to stand next to for the next video. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.